used to me being loud, hanging out, making moves all over town, riding big cars, showcasing my style. Everybody wanna know what's going down, but that's not how I'm living now. I did a 360, turn my whole life around. Now I roll with Jesus, yeah, I like how that sound. I wanna go to heaven where the no sitting loud. The sin's like a burden and chain. People say I'm different since I came out the game. Now they know I'm Christian, so they think I'm a lame. But I don't care because I'm gonna worship your name. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. Throw your hands up. All my real life Christian, throw your hands up.
Hey my beauties, it is Cece, your frugal goddess. I'm coming to you today with a style, or actually it's a hairstyle. I don't know. I'm going to do a faux hawk with this curly ponytail. I'm actually going to do two hairstyles with this curly ponytail. I would link down below a ponytail you can get similar that mimics this. This was actually given to me. And y'all know how hot it gets here in New Mexico. So I'm like, okay, I did not feel like braiding my hair. It's a tag in here. Let me see what this is. It's Kanekalon fiber. And it does not have, it's Kanekalon something blended fiber. But anyway, it's not human hair basically. But it's a very, very pretty ponytail. And what I did, I had it on the other day. And so I was thinking about styles. It actually was supposed to be 3 styles, but I cannot find my these clip-ins that were sent to me to review because I was going to combine the two. But anyway, so I'm going to do 2 hairstyles with this ponytail. I will link down below a ponytail that is similar to this. Also, sorry about that, y'all. That was my alarm. But also, I would love it, love it, love it if you would go over to my church YouTube channel, Gift of Life Bible Ministry, and please help support that channel. I will put the link down below. Also, right after Father's Day, I will be doing a giveaway to support that channel. The giveaway will be $50. It will be $50 cash. So the 2 things you have to be able to enter that giveaway is you have to be a subscriber to my channel, and you have to be a subscriber to the Gift of Life Bible Ministry channel, and you will have to email me something you got out of 2 of the sermons, and you have to comment. That is it. But other than that, I will be doing that next week because the 15th is next week. So I will be doing that next week. I will be announcing the winner of that $50 giveaway on or around the 1st of July. My scarf is steady sliding, y'all. You have to have some type of Cash App. PayPal, Venmo, Square, you have to have some type of Cash App for me to get this $50 to you. I am not doing Western Union. I'm not doing MoneyGram. I'm not doing any of that. I'm going to do an instant transfer. I will pick the winner. I will notify the winner. Matter of fact, within the rules, it will be a way that I will notify you. You will give me your whatever app you have, and I will just send the money directly to you. I'm not going to worry about leaving out the house in order to get you the money. Okay, point blank period, because y'all know I am really busy and sometimes I just don't have the time. But anyway, let's get on to this hairstyle. So like I said, this is just a curly ponytail. It is a drawstring ponytail. It has 2 combs on the inside, and it's a drawstring here somewhere that I'm going to show you in a minute, which is right here, and you just pull it. So I already gelled my hair up best I could. I am natural. And the other thing, y'all, I had cut all my hair off. I think it was last year, because I had put that Alma perm in my hair, and my head looked like rats had been sucking on it. I had patches and everything. and my hair was in really bad shape. But what I did want to show you is right here, if you guys can see, my hair is actually growing in. So remember, you saw this is, I will post, show you a picture of it before this, okay? But it is actually growing in. I hate that all the hairs is growing in. It's gray, but it's hair, so I'm not complaining. I have been using a special oil that I actually made. I did some research and I made the oil, and it actually works. So I am really happy with that. And it worked on giving me a little length to my hair because, like I said, I had cut it all off, y'all. I look like a little boy or something by the head. But anywho, let's get started on this one. So what I'm going to do for the first style, I'm going to do a faux hawk hairstyle with this. What you will need is, of course, hair gel. And some type of conditioner for your hair. What I used was Dark and Lovely's All Natural Anti-Shrinkage Coil Moisturizing Souffle. And I purchased this from Sally's on the clearance for $4.49. So I used that, and I also used good old Gorilla Snot to lay my hair down, and I tied it up and everything. And so, yeah. But anyway, let's get on to this style. And you, of course, you'll need your ponytail and some bobby pins. There's bobby pins in here. So you just put your ponytail on. You attach the combs. Now, you do not have to use the combs. You could actually use, just attach it, put it on, and bobby pin it, because I'm going to also bobby pin it for some added security. Because I know, like with the wig combs, those combs will tear your hair out. And one of my subscribers had actually told me about, you know, do not use the combs, especially in the front of my hair where I showed you that it's thinning, that it's thin at. And the front of my hair is thin anyway. It has been like that all my life. I have tried some of everything. The only thing that is really working for me is this oil that I made. Okay, so once you have your ponytail on, you're going to have this big fluffy hair. Okay, and this is cute. Now, don't get me wrong, it is cute, but I want to do something a little different. So I'm going to bring some of this to the front, and I'm going to take some of the side. I'm going to kind of curl it and pin it. So kind of just turning it upward. And the reason we're going upward with it is because we want to have that fox mohawk look. So, and you just take your bobby pins and you kind of shape your hair, okay? And you're going to get this fox mohawk look. And you're going to have a lot of hair, okay? So, this kind of reminds me of, what was it? Was it Sheila E? A Sheila E hairstyle back in the day. And then, now what you could do, if you want to leave this hanging, the back part, you can. Or you can do what I'm going to do up with the front. I'm going to kind of roll it a little bit because I do not want all that in my face. I'm looking in the mirror behind me, y'all. I want to fluff this just a little bit. Okay, there we go. Now, you can secure this if you want to on the sides. I wouldn't secure it in the front because you don't want it looking too, just too put up there. You want it to just have a certain look. Oh, Stanley's home, y'all. So, yeah. So, there you have that. And then, like I said, in the back, now what I'm going to do in the back is I'm going to kind of push it up a little bit. And just let a little bit of the back of my hair show. the back of my hairline. And there you have it. There is your faux hawk hairstyle. And, you know, just go in and kind of, you know, put the bobby pins where it's needed to give you the lift and everything you need. And it's just a little hang time in the back. And you can actually, if this is too much to your face, you can take some of it back, you know, take some of this hair and pull it back. Let me see if I could do that a little bit, because it is a lot toward my face. So you just take some of it, not a lot, and you pull it back. And you secure it so you have less hair in your face and covering your face. Now you can, the idea of the faux hawk is for it to be, you know, like a Mohawk hairstyle, basically. But if you want to soften the look, you can add, you know, pull a little bit out on the sides. I personally don't want to do that. What I will do for my face and everything, I'm going to put a little to the side, and I'm just going to bobby pin and secure it. Rather than having it straight over my forehead. Y'all know I love this little side look. That's just my thing. And so I'm going to do mine like that. And it is still a faux hawk look. And you have this side like that. And this is just a nice summer style, because I don't know about where you at, but it's hot as panther piss here in New Mexico. So this is something I just came up with, so my whole head does not have to be covered with the wig and what have you. And let me give you a 360. This is the side that I put a little bit more on to bring the hair over to this side. This is the back. Hi, honey. Okay. This is the other side and back to the front. I will post pictures here and here of me when I'm made up and looking all cute, because I have nothing on my face, y'all, except for probably perspiration, because it is hot. So with that, I just wanted to bring you a hairstyle and give you a heads up on the giveaway. Please go over to Gift of Life Bible Ministry YouTube channel and Facebook page. I will link both, put both links down below. Go over there and check them out. I will be also giving you an update probably next week on how my ketogenic diet is going. I am down 15 pounds, y'all. Yes, yes. Oh, I see some curves coming into my life, y'all. But anyway, so yes, with that, I want you to remember to tell somebody you love them. Never, ever wait too late. And always, always remember to be your own kind of beautiful. Later.